It's my third day in Seville, and I've seen most of the tourist attractions here in the last 2 days, except the Bullring of Seville, and I've been walking quite a lot. So today my agenda is very simple. Visit the Bullring of Seville, try the Spanish Omelette, and just relax and not do much. I stopped by at this breakfast cafe. Food, coffee was good. There was a queue which I suppose is common for most breakfast places in Seville. But I didn't have to wait long, so it's okay. Okay, today is one of those days when loneliness has started to hit. See, I've been traveling solo for quite some time now, and I've traveled solo to quite a few countries. And I'm kinda used to this feeling. But you know, when you're visiting all these amazing, beautiful places across the world, you feel like sharing this with someone. These are some of the most beautiful moments of my life, and I would really like to share this with someone from opposite sex. By the way, I'm at the Bullring of Seville. Now let me tell you a few things about the Bullring of Seville, which is also called Plaza de Toros de la Maestranza. It is one of Spain's most famous and historic bullfighting arenas. Built in a Baroque style, its construction began in 1761 and continued for nearly a century, resulting in a striking oval-shaped ring with a capacity of about 12,000 spectators. The Maestranza is also the site of one of Spain's most important bullfighting festivals, the Feria de Abril, which translates to Seville April Fair. This festival usually begins 2 weeks after Easter Sunday and runs for about a week. This annual event draws crowds from across the world to witness traditional bullfights. These bullfights feature renowned matadors and exemplifies the cultural heritage of Andalusia. The bullring also houses a museum with exhibits on bullfighting history, providing visitors a glimpse into the artistry and heritage of this controversial sport. So if you're planning to visit Seville, check out the bullfighting schedule on their website. If you're lucky, you might be able to witness a bullfight in this ring. It's Spain, and obviously football is quite big here. This is the walkway surrounding the outside circumference of the bullring, and as you can see, it's quite beautiful. Oh, this is quite interesting. Different kinds of fields waiting at the traffic signal. A horse cart, a scooter, a three-wheeler, a bicycle, and finally a car. This is not very common in Europe. I've never seen so many two-wheelers in Europe at the same time. When I travel in countries like Germany, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, I barely saw anyone drive scooters or motorbikes. But in Spain, people drive two-wheelers. I suppose that is true in Italy as well. You know how common the Vespa is there? Just an observation. Right now I'm just looking for a place to sit down and eat. I've been meaning to try out the Spanish Omelette or the Spanish Tortilla. So that's what I'm going to order. I found this nice cafe not very far from the Bullring. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of the Spanish Omelette because I find the combination of eggs and potatoes weird. But taste is a subjective thing. A lot of people like this and you might like it too. The cafe was nice, especially the service. It's actually a very nice sunny day. Weather is perfect and you will see more people sitting outside than inside. Coming back to the thing about travel and loneliness, this feeling is transitory. It's not like I'm always feeling like that. There are times or days when I get this feeling, which I believe is normal and it just makes me human. And as I've been traveling for some time now, I've learned a few things to deal with this feeling. Firstly, I keep my schedule busy. By busy, I mean I have something planned for every day of my travel. So I already put a lot on my plate, which keeps my mind from going in that direction. And then I do add a few hikes to the itinerary. Hikes are a great way to make friends. When a lot of people are collectively having a painful experience, they tend to get together and makes them more social. I had one such experience in Krabi in Thailand. There is this temple called the Tiger Cave Temple, which is at quite an elevation, and you have to climb 1260 steps to reach to the top. It's quite a hike. On the way to the top, people were gasping for their breath, sweating profusely, taking breaks, and stopping on the way to rest. But people were cheering for each other and encouraging each other to finish the hike. By the time I reached the top, I had made a few friends. This is the queue for the real Alcazar, and the tickets are sold out today as well. I've been coming here for the last 2 days, but the tickets are always sold out. And then I do these day trips with some tour group. You'll see that in the upcoming videos. And on these day trips, I get to meet people. Another way to meet fellow travelers is to stay in a hostel. I've done that, but I'm not a big fan of staying in hostels because I want comfort as well. Yeah, pub crawls are an excellent way to meet new people. That is what I've been told, and I'm yet to try them. But I don't drink, so that's why I've stayed away from pub crawls. I think one of these days I'll give it a shot. No pun intended, minus the alcohol. But you get this freedom while traveling solo. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. I can go on hikes, sit at a cafe for hours, spend the entire day on a beach, or just stay inside my hotel and just do nothing without worrying about the wishes of my travel partner. Also, I do explore more when I'm traveling solo. I cover more ground when traveling solo, but that is also because of the fact that I'm quite fit, humble brag. Solo travel forces you to look outwards and makes you more open to new experiences. For example, if you're traveling with your friends, I don't think you'll ever make an attempt to talk to strangers or socialize with others outside your group. But with solo travel, you will. You have to. It kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone. Some people love solo travel, some hate it, some are scared of it, some say it's overrated. But I think it is something that everyone should try. It's quite an experience. I'm not sure what you'll find, but give it a try. So let me know how you manage loneliness while traveling, or what is your solo travel hack in the comments. I'll be leaving for Malaga tomorrow and will explore Costa del Sol from there. And if you want to see an introverted guy travel the world, then please subscribe to the channel. My journey keeps getting better from here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Malaga now.